In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for sales. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking link that makes it easy for prospects to grab time with you. No back and forth emails, just a smooth path to a confirmed meeting. Start by opening your Calendly account and heading to your event types. Look for the button that lets you create something new and click Create. This is where you choose what kind of meeting you want to offer. For most sales workflows, discovery calls, demos, and intro chats, the best option is a one-to-one meeting, so select one-on-one. It keeps things simple and personal and ensures each booking is a dedicated slot just for you and the prospect. Next, give the event a clear, customer-friendly name. Type something like sales call or product demo so invitees immediately understand the purpose. Keep it concise and benefit-oriented if you can. You can also add a short description to set expectations, what you'll cover, who should attend, and any prep they might need, so prospects feel confident when they book. Now, choose the duration. Pick a length that fits your sales motion, whether that's 15 minutes for quick introductions, 30 minutes for discovery, or 45 to 60 minutes for deeper demos. Consistency here helps your calendar stay predictable. If you tend to run long or need a moment to document notes, consider selecting a slightly longer duration so you're not rushing between calls. Select the location next. Choose your preferred meeting method, such as a video conferencing integration like Zoom or Google Meet, which will automatically add a unique link to the calendar invite. If you prefer phone calls, designate that as the location and include a simple instruction in your description indicating who will call whom. The goal is to eliminate guesswork for the invitee. Click into Availability to control when people can book you. Set the specific days and hours you're open for sales meetings and confirm the correct time zone. Use scheduling rules to create a minimum scheduling notice so same-day surprises don't slip in. Add buffers before or after events to prevent back-to-backs, and cap the number of meetings per day to protect deep work time. This is where you align your booking windows with your actual working rhythm. When everything looks right, click Create to publish the event type. You'll now have a shareable booking link you can add to emails, signatures, and landing pages. That's it. Your sales-ready Calendly is live and ready to convert interest into scheduled conversations.